move on to our next lesson, which is this is log of any base is equal to a different number where the logs do not cancel out. So we need to remember a rule. Log base b of x is equal to y. The base of the log is the base of the exponent. What it is equal to becomes the new exponent. And then whatever's left over, the product, stands out like that. So we're going to use this to answer this question right here. So condense and isolate the logarithm. So right here, we're really working on isolating the logarithm. We're going to write the equation in exponential form, solve, and check for extraneous solutions, remembering that logs cannot equal negative, or the product of a log cannot be a negative number. So here, log base 2 of x minus 4 is equal to 6. The logarithm is isolated. So now we need to write it in exponential form. So the base of the log, 2, is equal to, what's it equal to? 6. So I'm going to raise it to the 6th power, is equal to x minus 4. So 2 to the 6th power, 2 to the 6th power is 64, is equal to x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides, and we get 68 is equal to x. We check our work. Log base 2 of 68 minus 4. It's going to give me log base 2 of 64 is equal to 6. Okay, well, we know that our rules, if we can get the base of the log and the product to be the same, 2 raised to the 6th power, just like that, is equal to 6, because that product, that identity right there, if the base and the product are the same, you're left with 6 equals 6. So that is a true statement. Therefore, we can go ahead and put a box around it. I'm going to do the same thing, but this log right here is not by itself. We need to add 7 to both sides. When we add 7 to both sides, we get log base 3 of 4x plus 8 is equal to 4. So here we'd say 3 to the 4th power is equal to 4x plus 8. 3 to the 4th power is 81. So I have 81 is equal to 4x plus 8 minus 8. And that's going to be 81 minus 8 is 73 is equal to 4x divided by 4. And 73 is prime, so that's my final answer right here. X is equal to 73 over 4. When I plug it in right here, this gets me 73 over 4 times 4 is 73. Plus 8 gives me 81. Log base 3 of 81 is going to be 3, then minus 7. That's going to end up working out. And that takes care of when you have a log is equal to a number, having to change it into exponential form, solving and checking for extraneous solutions. Both of these solutions worked. However, if you got an answer here that you plugged in here to get a negative answer, that would have made it extraneous, because a log cannot equal, the log's product cannot be a negative number.